Hello friend, this is Ryan Hicks of TalkToProfit.com. Today I want to talk to you about the importance of moving out into social media. Now, I gotta be very clear, I'm not talking about going onto it for entertainment and to keep up with the news and gossip and all this garbage, because the vast majority of social media is filled with that kind of stuff. But I'm talking about being someone who is propagating useful, valuable blessings, information that is valuable, posts that are valuable, that are providing value to people and blessing them and making their lives better. I just recently opened a TikTok account. Now, obviously TikTok, if you go on there, it's 99.9%, maybe greater than that. Statistically, it might be 100%. Useless, vanity, and just devoid of any value content. A lot of it is people dancing to music and just trivial stuff. But there is some valuable content in there. People talking about important subjects, things that matter, things that have internal significance, and things that make life better here and now. That is what I'm trying to provide on there. In all my social media, I want to provide good content that blesses people, that helps them. And I want to encourage you today. You may turn away from social media, rightfully so, because of the valueless, just vanity on there and the frivolous nature of it all. But you don't have to do what everyone else is doing. You don't have to pay attention to that kind of stuff. You can just provide your own good, valuable content that blesses other people, and you will find an audience, and it will bless and minister life to them. Anytime you have an opportunity where other people are wasting it, they're throwing away the opportunity on things devoid of value, you can be someone who rises up. Be unlike the masses and provide good, valuable material that blesses other people. My friend, I want to encourage you today. Don't run away from social media because of how devoid of value most of it is, how even evil some of it is. Bring your own light to it. Provide good content. You don't have to read the garbage on there. You can completely ignore that. Just be someone providing content that's valuable and useful and a blessing to other people. And my friend, if you are on TikTok or any kind of other social media, go to links below in my description. Follow me on all social media. You'll get valuable content that I deliver. And on different platforms, I have different materials, so it's not going to be all the same on each platform. So make sure if you're using those other platforms, follow me on there so you can get more valuable content. My friend, I pray this is a blessing for you. May God bless you richly.